happy day. I think there's a squirrel snoring in this tree. You hear it? Watch it, Joe. That one ate us doing it just in time for Halloween. Man gets mauled by marauding pack of wild rabbit squirrels. Well, I know he lives in there. Maybe you heard it, maybe you didn't. But it's a good morning anyway from the Susan&SoullasHomestead homestead. Oh! Chickens aren't out. It's funny. We just had our solar array hooked up and turned on, and yet it's gonna rain the next few days. Ha 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 ha. Life's sometimes cheeky like that. But we'll get it running and we'll keep you updates on our new system and all that's growing on at the Susan and Soulas homestead. Have a fantastic morning.